I get a lot of looks for being a small girl who puts on a large part. My name is Amie Luxford. I'm an assembler at Windsor Assembly Plant. I started in November of 1997. It's been my only full-time job. It wasn't what I thought I would do. I wanted to be a teacher, but I knew people who went that route and they still ended up coming to Chrysler because they were hard to come by jobs. When I first started here, I made it to all the departments. I've dropped engines, I've threaded brake lines, I filled fluids, and I just think all of those things give you the bigger picture. I work here in KUKA in chassis, and I installed a rear suspension using an ergo arm with two people who assist in locating it onto the pallet. Because what we do here in KUKA is we build the underneath of your vehicle with no body. So we build it all with pins and locators so that when it joins up with the body in the KUKA machine, it comes up perfectly. So they put it on pins and then I take it and put it onto the next part. And I put a big part on. Working in the automotive industry is physically challenging. It's hard on the body, but over the years, things have gotten easier. Ergonomics is a lot better. It's a lot of structure. I always say people who do well here are people who like the same. Put your coffee in the same spot, you take the same parking spot. It just fits with some people. It is a good job. It's a very good job.